Wait for the green. Fight, robots, fight! Hurricane Katrina up to speed, spinning well. That Mercedes disc, very smooth. Looking to avoid bear down as much as possible to keep the RPMs up on the scale. Still they get some power. Then they go into bear down. Losing little pieces here and there, but still running well. Bear down able to run upside down or right side up. Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina building back up to category 5. Bear down losing a little bit of its front wedge. I don't see any movement from Hurricane Katrina. I will have to count you out if you cannot move. Hurricane Katrina, you're coming out at 10, 9, 8,